Hello, welcome back to Mommy's Yum once again. My name is Chioma and today I'm going to be making this curry chicken pasta. Yeah, that's what I call it. It's curry chicken pasta and it's a simple and easy recipe that I made for my children's school lunch. So if this is something that you like to make for your child, it's very quick, it's very easy. As long as you do your meal prep, as I always say, you are good to go with this recipe and I'm sure your child will love it. So if this is something you like, please give this video a thumbs up and then let's get on with the cooking. The first thing I'm going to do now is to parboil my pasta. I'm using whole wheat pasta here. Whole wheat is always better than the regular pasta because whole wheat contains more fiber, which is good for our body. So that's what I'm using here, and I'm going to parboil it. It says 10 to 12 minutes on the pack, but I'm going to cook it for about 8 minutes because we are still going to cook it further later. So I'm going to put it into the already boiling water and allow it to cook. And once it's soft, I'm going to drain it in the sink and then pour some cold water on it to stop the cooking process. So I'm going to add my cooking oil now. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use any other oil that you have. I really do apologize for the quality of this video. I changed my lenses and I'm still trying to get the right lighting, so it's a bit too harsh. I've tried to tone it down, it looks somehow, but please bear with me. And I'm going to now add my chopped onions. I'm going to allow it to cook and soften. And once this is done, I'm going to be adding in my shredded chicken. This is shredded chicken that I prepared. I have a video which I'm going to put the link up where I made this shredded chicken. It's part of my meal prep to make sure that my kids' school lunches are done on time. So this is the shredded chicken there. If you like to make that, just click the link, or at the end of the video I'm going to also put it up there so that you can take out from that too. Next is my curry. I'm adding my curry powder, about 2 teaspoons, because this is curry chicken, and then I'm going to add my mix of thyme, rosemary and oregano, and I'm going to give it a stir and then add my stock to it. You can always use your stock or you can use water. This stock is part of the meal prep and is part of the video that you are going to watch if you watch the video that I put the link up earlier. Check for taste and allow the stock to boil. And once it boils, I'm going to add my pasta in. Now this is the reason why I didn't cook my pasta for long earlier, because I know I'm going to add it into the stock here and allow it to cook. This helps to infuse all the flavors and give this pasta a delicious taste. Stir it and mix it very well, and then cover it and allow it to cook until the water dries up. Now our pasta is ready. You can see that I'm going to add my vegetables. At this time I'm using some broccoli. You can use any other vegetables that your child likes or that you want, and then allow it to cook for about a minute or two, and that's it. If you are still watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.